Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PlayStation 5 frozen screen. First, if your PlayStation 5 is frozen, try a force restart. Simply press and hold the power button on your console for about 15 seconds until you hear 2 beeps, indicating it's fully off. Then, unplug the power cable from the wall and the console for at least 60 seconds. This allows any residual power to drain. Finally, plug everything back in and power on your PlayStation 5 to see if the issue is resolved. Next, let's check your connections and any attached peripherals. Make sure your HDMI cable is firmly plugged into both your PlayStation 5 and your television, and that the power cable is secure. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause display issues. Also, temporarily disconnect any external hard drives, USB sticks, or other accessories. These devices can occasionally interfere with system stability. You might also try plugging your PlayStation 5 into a different HDMI port on your TV to rule out a port issue. If the problem persists, you'll want to enter safe mode. To do this, power off your PlayStation 5 completely. Then, press and hold the power button again, releasing it after the second beep, which occurs about 7 seconds in. Connect your DualSense controller using a USB cable. From the Safe Mode menu, select Option 5, Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. This often fixes many common system glitches without deleting your game data, making it a great next step for troubleshooting. As a last resort, if your PlayStation 5 continues to freeze, you might need to reinstall the system software. Be aware that this option, found in Safe Mode as Option 7, will erase all data on your console, so back up any important game saves beforehand. You'll need a USB drive with at least 1 GB of free space. If even after reinstalling the system software the problem persists, it's best to contact PlayStation support for professional help, as there might be a hardware issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.